Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best cord organizer is probably one of the most underrated yet essential gadgets for anyone tired of the tangled mess behind their TV, desk, or entertainment center, transforming chaotic cable spaghetti into a clean, organized, and aesthetically pleasing setup that not only looks better but also prevents tripping hazards and makes cleaning a breeze, ultimately simplifying your life and decluttering your space with minimal effort. Number 5. Sleek Socket Original Flat Ultra Thin Outlet Concealer. This innovative kit discreetly conceals your entire outlet and cords. It provides a sleek solution to manage plugs and cables, instantly enhancing your home's aesthetic. Say goodbye to bulky, unsafe plugs and messy cords. This ultra-thin, wall-hugging device blends seamlessly, making your space safer and more visually appealing. Installation is incredibly simple. Just attach it to the top receptacle of a duplex outlet, just like a traditional plug. No tools or complicated DIY projects are needed. It includes an adhesive cord concealer kit with removable strips and clips. This allows you to neatly secure the cord to the wall, keeping everything organized and out of sight. This device works with all standard duplex outlet sizes, ensuring a versatile fit for various setups. Whether in the kitchen or behind furniture, it offers a reliable solution. Beyond decluttering, this 3-foot concealer also includes a 3-outlet power strip. You'll gain more usable outlets while keeping your space neat and efficient. Designed in the USA by a family-owned business, this product meets the highest safety requirements. It holds safety certifications under all applicable UL standards, ensuring peace of mind. What we like. This innovative device completely hides your entire outlet and cords, blending seamlessly with your wall. It's perfect for optimizing small areas or behind furniture, enhancing your home's aesthetics. If you're looking for a sleek, clutter-free environment without any tools, this is your pick. What people say. Number 4. Syncwire Clear Cable Clips 15-Slot Organizer. Are you tired of messy cables cluttering your workspace or home? These innovative cord holders are designed to bring order and simplicity to your daily life. They are the perfect solution for managing all your wires. With 15 slots across 5 different sized clear clips, they offer versatile solutions for all your household and office needs. You can organize everything from chargers to HDMI cables with ease. Keep your computer desk, car, or nightstand perfectly organized. They are ideal for headphones, USB cables, power cords, and even gaming console wires, making them great gifts too. Installation is a breeze thanks to their strong 3M adhesive pad. Simply stick them to any smooth, clean surface like glass, metal, or wood, no tools required. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly silicone, these organizers are built to last. Their flexible design allows for smooth cable insertion and removal, protecting your cords. For optimal performance, ensure your surface is clean, smooth, and dry before applying them. Allow at least 24 hours for the adhesive to fully set for maximum hold and lasting organization. What we like. These versatile clips offer a simple way to manage individual cables. Their clear design makes them discreet on any smooth surface, keeping your desk or car tidy. If you have many small cables and want an easy, non-permanent organizing solution, these are ideal. What people say. Number 3. Mount It, In-Wall TV Cable Concealer Kit. Tired of tangled cables ruining your entertainment area? This kit offers a simple solution to power your TV and hide all those unsightly wires. It creates a clean, modern look for any living room, bedroom, or home theater. Designed with a spacious recessed opening, it easily accommodates multiple HDMI, Ethernet, and AV cables. This allows you to connect all your devices while keeping everything neatly hidden behind the wall. Achieve a professional look without hiring an electrician. This plug-in system includes all the tools and instructions you need for a simple setup. You can install it yourself in under 30 minutes. It's ETL in-wall certified for safety, ensuring peace of mind. The power cord connects to your existing outlet, while low-voltage cables run safely behind the wall. This protects your devices and maintains a sleek appearance. Built with durable materials and ETL certified, this kit ensures long-term performance. You can have peace of mind knowing your home theater setup will remain safe and reliable for years to come. The complete kit includes 2 wall plates with pre-installed screws, a 9-foot extension power cord, a drywall saw, and a cutting template. You'll find everything necessary for installation right in the box. Before installation, please ensure it fits your space. The large plate requires a specific drywall cutout and minimum cavity depth. Always measure your wall before cutting to guarantee proper installation. What we like. Achieve a professional, wire-free look for your wall-mounted TV with this comprehensive in-wall kit. It safely conceals power and low-voltage cables, providing a clean entertainment area. If you want a truly hidden cable solution with recessed power and a DIY installation, this is the one. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted. Number 2. EVEO Cable Hider Wall. This simple, effective solution conceals up to 153 inches of cables, instantly tidying your home theater or workspace. It offers an easy, adhesive-based installation, requiring no tools for a smooth setup. Create a cleaner, safer space instantly with this kit. It hides messy wires along any wall for a polished look, delivering seamless cable management for your home or office. Upgrade your TV wall with a flawless cable setup. Its quick snap-on system makes installation fast and clean, keeping cables invisible behind any wall-mounted TV. This cable management solution is fully customizable and blends in perfectly. It's cuttable and paintable for a seamless match to any decor, delivering precise, low-profile cable routing. Protect kids and pets from exposed wires effortlessly. This durable kit safely hides cords around the house, removing tripping or chewing risks. What we like. This extensive cable management system offers a long, customizable solution for hiding multiple cords along your walls. Its paintable surface ensures it blends perfectly with any decor, making wires disappear. If you need to cover a significant length of cables and prioritize safety for kids and pets, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted. Number 1. Yecaye TV Cord Hider CMC02. Are unsightly TV cords ruining your living space? Dangling HDMI and internet cables create clutter and can even be a hazard. This product offers a sleek solution to hide those exposed wires. Whether your TV is mounted high or low, this cord hider is designed to fit your needs. Its versatile design allows you to use multiple sections separately or connect them seamlessly for extended coverage. Installing it is incredibly flexible, especially in tight spots under your TV. You can easily slide it on or snap it into place, making cable changes simple and convenient. This cable hider boasts a generous capacity, accommodating 3 to 4 common TV wires like HDMI, power, and Ethernet cables. Just measure your cords to ensure a perfect fit. Installation couldn't be easier with its pre-applied adhesive tape. Simply peel and stick it to your wall for a clean, secure finish without the need for any extra tools or complicated accessories. What we like. Specifically designed for TV setups, this cord hider offers ample space for multiple HDMI and power cables. Its snap-on or slide-on feature makes installation quick and adaptable to tight spaces. If you have a wall-mounted TV with several dangling wires and need a simple, large-capacity cover, this is a great option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.